Exploring the world of large language models, LLMs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of large language models, or LLMs. These advanced AI systems are transforming how we interact with technology, particularly in text-related tasks. So let's explore what LLMs are, how they work, and some popular examples. Large language models are sophisticated AI models specifically designed for a variety of text-related tasks. This includes functions like text generation, translation, and sentiment analysis. They excel at understanding and generating human-like text due to their training on vast amounts of data, allowing them to learn complex language patterns and context effectively. LLMs are trained on enormous datasets, often comprising billions of words, enabling them to learn the nuances of language. This training involves a process called self-supervised learning, where the model predicts the next word in a sentence based on the preceding words. This ability allows LLMs to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses, making them invaluable for various applications. *** context. Understanding. ***. They can grasp the context of a conversation or text, which is crucial for generating meaningful responses. ***. Versatility. ***. LLMs can perform multiple tasks, from writing essays to answering questions and even generating code. Fine-tuning. After initial training, LLMs can be fine-tuned for specific tasks, enhancing their performance in areas like sentiment analysis or text classification. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is one of the most recognized LLMs. It's capable of writing essays, answering questions, generating code, and creating conversational agents. Built on the GPT-4 architecture, it has been trained on a vast dataset from the internet, giving it a broad understanding of language patterns. BERT, or bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, is another groundbreaking model developed by Google. Unlike traditional models that predict words in a sequence, BERT considers both preceding and following contexts to understand language better. This makes it particularly effective for tasks like sentiment analysis and text classification. The CTRL model specializes in generating text based on specific instructions or topics. This capability allows for fine-grained control over the output, making it especially useful for content generation and document summarization tasks. Content generation, automating the creation of articles, blog posts, and marketing materials. Language translation, breaking down language barriers by translating text accurately. ***, sentiment. Analysis, ***, understanding customer feedback through sentiment detection. ***, text. Summarization, ***, distilling lengthy documents into concise summaries for easier comprehension. In summary, large language models are revolutionizing how we interact with text and language. From ChatGPT's conversational abilities to BERT's context understanding and CTRL's content generation capabilities, these models are paving the way for more intelligent applications in our daily lives. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into AI technology. Let us know in the comments what aspect of LLMs you find most fascinating or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.